Hey, what's up, guys? It's Navarro. It's Monday, July 27th, 2020. And it was a great start to the week again, guys. Swing trades from Friday were good, all of them, with the exception of one. I'll get into it in a little bit. Before we do, if you've been watching my videos, guys, and they've been educational for you, and you like the content that I'm putting out, just do me a favor, guys, and hit the like and subscribe button. That way, I can see the analytics in the YouTube channel, and that'll encourage me to keep putting this out, guys. Um, my trading strategies, they're tailored for traders with small accounts who do not have unlimited day trades, who fall under the PDT rule, who only have 3 day trades per 5 days. If you're one of those, then these are the strategies that are going to help you grow your account, because I mainly focus on swing trading. I do day trade, but my main goal is to swing trade. One of the things that I've come to understand, and throughout the years that I've had trading, is that swing trading is a lot more profitable and a lot more leisurely. You don't have to be watching your screen too much. I am an active swing trader, so I do actively get in and out of trades because I am trading penny stocks. They tend to be volatile. So that's why I found that being an active swing trader suits my accounts better. And following my rules has helped me risk manage my risk, and it's the way that I've been growing my account. For example, last week we had a couple of day trades that failed. I had tight stop losses on them, so I gave back about 7 to 8% on both of them. And when we do hit those big winners, those big swing trades, they give us back between 20 to 30%, sometimes even more. So that's where our accounts start growing, when we start managing the risk and we start following the rules and just sticking to them, guys. So again, I hope you like the content that I'm putting out. So go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, guys, so that I can keep up putting more content out there for you guys to learn. It's going to be completely free, and hopefully it'll help you become a better trader. Um, the teamwork on psc13.com, guys, website, it's been phenomenal. We've been doing great with the watch list, and we've been hitting good winners, guys. And I'm going to take you to some of the trades that we've been hitting on day trades and swing trades straight from the watch list that is exclusive to PSC 13 members only, guys. So let's get right to it. So on Thursday, I put out a watch list with different, maybe like 4 or 5 uh, tickers. I don't want to do too many because we want to keep micro focus. We don't want to put a list of 10 stocks out there like others do, because then you're not gonna know where to go, what to do. It's gonna be overwhelming. So the simpler we keep it, it's best. And it's been working for us. It's been working for me for the longest time, and it's continued to work. So hopefully that'll continue to grow our accounts. So let's get to OCGN. This one's a call out from last week for the WhatsApp chat group, and they traded this one last week, called it out here, made this big move, and I kept it on my watch list for the ABCD pattern, guys. So it made this A, B on the top, C down here at the bottom. We entered the trade let me check my entry. It was towards the end of the day at 36, 35. And today, some members took some profit. We traded it again over the break of 60, made a move all the way over to 76, somewhere around there, for about 100% return, guys. I mean, it was ridiculous. It just had made a huge move, and we've been taking advantage of this. I have another one that I called out today that has a similar setup, and I believe that one is just starting its move. And again, these are just callouts exclusive to the PSC 13 members. So um, bad part about not being a member is that you'll probably hear it when it's already overextended. For example, the ones that I'm going to talk about in a little bit, I had posted those trades on Thursday. We got them on a swing trade from Friday to today, and they gave us a great return. And one of them was actually, we actually tried to trade it on Thursday. It didn't work. We cut our losses. Then we came back in on Friday. And that's the part of the risk management that we have going on, guys. And I might get right to it. So this one, again, a big winner for us. And let me take you to the 1 day, 3 minute so you can see the action. So market open, news comes in. Some people start taking profits off. We're holding strong. It breaks through the 50 level, which I told them, that 50 level, that $0.50 that I talk about all the time. It broke through it. Then look where it found support, guys. You see the pre-market high around the 50 cent level, and look at that touch and go right at VWAP and pre-market high. So again, key levels that you need to understand. So then I told them, you know what? If you took profits here, now what we're looking for is to break that 60 cent level, which is this high right here, the initial high a day, because now we're not talking pre-market, now we're talking regular hours. So the initial high was close to 60. It can People take profits. We got out. Those who have are not limited to day trades, they got in. I got in at 59. People got in at 61. It made this big push, started taking profits, and I'm still holding about 25% of my position because I feel this one still has room to go. As you can see here in the 1 year, 1 day pattern, it's big time oversold. And this is one of my favorite patterns because there's shorts that are holding on to this. They need a way out. So this is what happens, guys, when you have an oversold pattern and news comes in and then the buying pressure comes in. Shorts come in again, then the buying pressure comes in again, and you got those big moves. Same like TNXP, same like ONTX, all those big moves that we've caught here on PSC 13. This is a similar one, and I have one. I believe very strongly that it's going to do the same thing. We took an entry today, and I will not talk about that one. That one's exclusive to PSC 13 members, guys. So let's move on to the other ones. AMPE, AMPE. So this one I had called out on Thursday. This red candle here, this is Thursday. And as you can see, I already had my support level right in this 85 cent level area. So I'm gonna zoom in so that you all can see what happened. So we took an entry at around 87 on Thursday. It shook us out, and I kept it on watch. I put it back on the watch list that same Thursday afternoon. I put it up and I said, you know what? This one still got a chance to make a big move. And sure enough, on Friday, it started to test that 90 cent level, which was on the watch list for entry. We took a position on it. Let me take you to the 1 day, 3 minute. We took a position on it when it started making this move, came back here, it started consolidating. You see that consolidation period. It started breaking over this flat top pattern. You see that flat top where the price can't break over that certain level. It broke over it, and right here I tell them, okay, it's ready to make a move, jump in. It starts making a move, and then it just never looked back, guys. And today we took profits, and it looks like it still has something to give. We already made our profit from 87 from our entry here to our exit. That's about a 30% return, guys. And that's why I'm saying that when we start applying the rules, and yeah, we might give it back on the losses 3 to 5%. Maybe we lose two, maybe we lose three. And let's say at the max, we lost 15%. If we gave back our rule of 5%, cut it out on three losses, that's 15%. With this one move, guys, with this one particular stock, we already made back our losses and then some. And that all comes back to risk management. And it's all part of the PSC 13 strategy, guys, that we're applying to all our trades. So AMPE, another winner for us. A swing trade from Friday, took profits today on Monday, guys. Another one, CHFS, guys. excuse me, CHFS. And this one we've traded before. We've made some money on it. So let me take you to this. I've spoken about it. You can go watch the other videos. Um, we tried to trade it here. It failed, and I kept it on watch. We traded it here, sold it here, and then I put it up on the watch list again. And we took an entry on Friday. Let me take it to the 1 day, 3 minute. So on Friday, it starts flagging, it makes a move, hits triggers my alert, and I tell them, okay, once it started making this move, I said let's take an entry around the 0.70 level, and we took an entry here like around 71, 72. I'm sorry, I'm in the wrong spot right here, guys, at the 0.70 level. So we took an entry here at 0.70, and it started kind of flagging again, and then it just never looked back, guys. We took profits again today, right here before that 90 level. So if we look at our entry at 70 cents, right here, this is 70. This is where we took an entry. We sold here. Another 30% mover, guys. Again, straight from the watch list from PSC13.com. You can go check it out, guys. And again, it's only available to members. It's exclusive to members. There's a few pages that you can see on there, but the rest, it's only for members. So CHFS. Now we did have one that failed on us on a swing trade, UABS. It had news on Friday, made this big move. I called it out of here on the little pullback, and I thought it was going to continue to go. It's still on watch for the break of 350. So this one, if it starts making the move, start testing this level, then we'll jump back in. Let me tell you why. Because this is my favorite kind of pattern where it starts going up and then it starts flagging, guys. You see the flag pattern here. So again, I like buying with confirmation. I don't like buying down here because sometimes you buy down here and it just boom, it drops. So I like buying with confirmation that it's got momentum going up. That's what I'm looking at, the 350 level for entry, and then the push higher to 450. It's got room all the way to 5, as you can see with the previous rejection here. But again, we'll be waiting for it to make that move and hopefully give us an entry. Now, some of the callouts from today, guys. I'm not gonna go over all of them. I'm only gonna go over maybe two or three. One of the callouts was ONVO. ONVO, guys. Um, it's over all the EMAs and SMAs. It's got a little sneaky reverse head and shoulder pattern, which I like. Yeah, you can also maybe think of it as like a cup and handle, but you can see one shoulder here, you can see the head here, and then you can see the other shoulder. So it's kind of a reverse, sneaky reverse head and shoulders, guys, which is like a cup and handle pattern. They are bullish in nature. So, we're looking for it to break that 85 cent level. We took an entry. Let me take it to the 1 day, 3 minutes so you can see the action. It made this big move. So that's what we want to see, that it wants to get and higher and do that, right? Then it made this little curling action. We took an entry somewhere here. Others took it at 78 a little earlier. And right now it's trickling down. But again, the price action on the 1 day, 1 year looks really good. So if not, we'll just cut losses and move on to the next one, guys. So ONVO was one of the callouts. Another one from today, NOVN. And this one was, again, part of the watch list, exclusive to PSC 13. And why was this one there? Well, if you notice here, you got your A, you got your B, you got your C. So today was a perfect entry. And I think this one, it's still staying above the 180 SMA. So I still think this one has a potential to give us that D where we can take profits. If not, again, we'll just cut losses. We'll put it back on watch. If it can break and hold that $1 level, we'll be back in it. But for now, I'm holding a small position on it. Some members, they just got out. They can come back in anytime. Again, you don't need to be holding stuff that you don't like. So it's up to you. You just need to find your trading style, and you don't have to mirror anybody. You can trade on your own. Again, this is something that you need to start learning how to do on your own. So you don't need to follow everything I say. You can follow the trades. You can make your own entries, you can make your own exits. Everybody's different. You just need to find it, stick with it, and whatever's working for you, find find out why it's working, and what's not working, find out why it's not working. So always go back, review your trades, and learn from your mistakes, and learn from also from what you're doing all right, what you're doing right. So that's my advice to you guys. If you have ideas that don't work, I want to encourage you to never forget about them. Sometimes it's just the timing. Maybe that they didn't have the conditions weren't right for that stock to move, and go back, set your alerts, and if it comes back and gives you another trading opportunity, then take a risk and trade. That's what you need to do, guys. I mean, that's what this business is about: is taking risks and just managing your accounts. And if you don't learn how to manage your accounts, then you're gonna be in for the long run, guys. So that's my piece of advice to you today. I hope you like this video. I hope you like the content. Again, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys.